Cool. What else you guys got?
You want to talk about reporting, what you guys do and how you use it
Sure.
in your agency?
Yeah.
I think that's a big thing.
Okay. So right now we're going to talk about Google Ads reporting. This is for the editors that are watching this. So Google Ads reporting software, Google Ads reporting, whatever you want to call it. On our end, we use Swido. If you guys are watching it, I have no idea how to pronounce the name of your business and have not for the last 5 years. SYWDO or SWYDO. I have no idea.
I thought Swido as well.
Swido, okay.
Or Swido, yeah.
No idea. We pay them a lot of money, and I have no idea. Yeah, Rob hit me up the other day. We were paying, I don't know, $600 a month for reporting, and he's like, "That's too much." And I'm like, "Yeah, but it's like $2 a client. Who really like those things keep going up as we go? So don't time that. It's just a cost of doing business."
Yep.
What do you guys use for reporting, Nick? What do you got?
We use Google Data Studio and then Supermetrics to pull in Bing and Facebook if they're doing that as well. It's free. So okay. Supermetrics I think costs $100, but other than that, it's unlimited clients for about $100 a month, and we can customize those reports. Like that's one thing Google really nailed, I think, is that Data Studio and giving you that power to create that any way you want it.
Yep. And I know Dustin uses Data Studio as well. Is it something where you create one template and then you can layer it in, or you have to do a custom build every single time?
One template
takes like 5 minutes to knock them out.
Yeah. Yeah. It's legit. Link never changes. So we send a link out to our clients each week, 9 a.m. on Sunday morning. Here's your report for last week's ads. They can go and save that link. They can go to it and reference it. If they ask us questions like how much have I spent in the last 2 months, we send them a link to their Data Studio. So instead of answering that question, we send them that link with the time that they asked. Mm-hmm. And then again, point out to them, hey, you can go and look at this at any time. You don't have to ask us. You can find this yourself, to sort of train them. So we're training our employees our clients on, hey, go to your reports, look at it here. If you want to know real time, here's your data. Here's everything that you have. It arms them with the ability to conversate with us. When we talk to them once a month, what they're seeing on their side, what we're seeing on our side. So it really is valuable for us in that sense.
Strategically, why Sunday?
Why Sunday? Because it's not Monday. Because when you get a report like that and you have some downtime. So I work in the real estate industry, and there are some agents that have a lot of downtime, just the way it is. If they get that report at 9 a.m. on Monday, I could almost guarantee you we would have 15 calls a morning on Monday. Sunday we'll get some emails, and we gear that sort of, hey, come, if you got a question, go to support@drivenleads.com into the ticket system. And I'm open and honest on how I manage my clients. I mean, they know what I'm doing when I'm doing that Jedi mind trick to them, right? But yeah, it's on Sunday, so we don't have a massive influx every day of calling and being like, why do you think this week was worse than last week? Well, it was 80 degrees out and it wasn't 50 degrees out, and it's spring and the interest rates are up. Like there's all kinds of things that go into a one bad week over top of the last 30 being really good. So we try to steer, like we always did Sunday, and I tell them it's when you're having your Sunday morning coffee and relaxing, go ahead and look at this. And maybe you go to church after that and you're not as mad at me, or maybe you're over the moon happy with me still and you're going to want to send out a kudos. We do the first of the month as well. So the first of every month is a very busy day for us because they're getting their reports at 9 a.m. They're making phone calls, they're calling us, they're sending in tickets. So it's the nature of the beast. When you've got 160 some odd people on the line, it can be a little bit nerve-wracking if we send it out during the weekday.
Got it. Monday mornings, give it a case of the Monday. So
yeah,
I get that. And God forbid Swido sends a blank report, which does happen. Clients will be like, did this really happen? Did nothing happen? I'm like, well, did your card get charged this week?
Right.